Prepare for a gust of epic proportions. A sneeze isn't just a little puff of air, it's a powerful expulsion reaching speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. That's why containing your sneeze is so crucial. When you feel the urge, grab a tissue or flex your elbow to cover your nose and mouth. This simple act helps prevent the spread of germs and keeps those around you healthy. Think of it as a courtesy blast. Containing the force keeps the germs contained too. Afterward, be sure to wash your hands or sanitize to eliminate any lingering germs. A little sneeze etiquette goes a long way in keeping everyone well.